Hello everybody. Here are some essential exercises that you need to be able to do in order to improve your core stability, strength, and even posture. To first do that, we need an external stimulus. Now there's no better motion than the carry movement pattern. Now with the carry movement pattern, we need to be able to do this in order to achieve a daily tasks such as carrying groceries or even heavy boxes at work. The carry is an essential movement pattern that we use every day of our lives. Working on this in the gym can improve our daily performance from carrying heavy boxes at work to groceries later in the day. When starting out with your carry, it's best to start with the suitcase carry. This requires one kettlebell to be at your side as you're walking forward with your eyes straight ahead, shoulders back and chest up. While flexing the abdominal muscles, you'll be experiencing anti-lateral flexion. Now this is the specific core functionality that allows the muscles on the opposite side of the weight to contract in order to prevent the spine from flexing towards the designated hand with the weight. I would suggest starting out with this exercise and all other exercises listed here to start with 30 to 40 seconds for 2 to 3 sets. Not usually using distance, but you could use this later on down the road for about maybe 10 to 15 yards as a measurement. Once we have mastered our suitcase carry, we can now move on to our farmer's walk. With our farmer's walk, it is a similar motion, except we're going to be using 2 weights, one in each hand. You can use kettlebells or dumbbells for this exercise. What you end up using in the end is all personal preference. But one thing that could be a limiting factor is your grip strength during this. So ensure that you are using a moderate to heavy weight that you can actually complete that 30 to 40 seconds with, and that you are not at risk of dropping that weight during this exercise. Next will be our single or double rack carry. With your elbows up and your kettlebell placed on your mid shoulder to side shoulder, you will be performing a similar carrying motion to the previous exercises. These exercises have the added benefit of shoulder stability and are excellent stepping stones for exercises that require a front rack position, such as the clean or front squat. Finally, we land on our overhead carry and our combo carry. For both of these exercises, you'll be taking one kettlebell or dumbbell and placing it above your head with an extended arm, completely straight. And a nice cue I like to use is keep your bicep close to your ear. This motion will allow you to improve your shoulder stability and shoulder girdle strength. Now with the overhead carry, you'll be performing a similar motion to all of the previous exercises where you'll be walking around, but with that kettlebell above your head in that extended position. Once you master that technique, then you'll finally move to your combo carry. Now with the combo carry, it'll be the same motion, but you will also have an additional heavier weight than the one above your head on the side. So left arm, for example, would have the smaller kettlebell, the lighter kettlebell, and it'll be above your head. Whereas on your side, you'll have a kettlebell maybe double that weight, maybe even triple that weight. And that's going to allow for that anti-lateral flexion to come back into play. So not only are we strengthening our core, we're strengthening our shoulder stability and our posture all in one exercise. Carries are a great exercise in order to improve strength and stability and posture throughout one's life. We practice this type of motion every single day of our lives, and working on this in the gym with resistance in an austere environment will help us be able to maintain an injury-free lifestyle and improve our capabilities at work and at home. Thank you all for watching this video, and please let me know if you have any questions on any of the listed exercises, and let me know which one is your favorite.